The HamptonBay Solar 3D Star Pattern Path Light offers an easy way to enhance your outdoor spaces like walkways, pathways, and gardenscapes. These lights have a unique 3D star pattern when they light up, and the black finish is designed to blend with the outdoors. Using solar power, these lights are virtually maintenance-free and are designed to last. The lights turn on automatically at dusk and will stay lit for up to 8 hours when fully charged. Installation is quick and easy with no tools necessary and everything you need included in the box. When unpacking the box, you'll find 4 posts with stakes and 4 light housings. Once everything is unpacked, assembly only takes a couple of minutes. Begin by removing the stake from the post, then flip it around and reinsert it into the end of the post. Repeat this process for the 3 remaining posts and stakes. Next, activate the light by twisting the light housing counterclockwise to remove it from the top. Then pull the battery tab out of the battery compartment. You can test the light by covering the solar panel with your hand. Reattach the light housing to the top by twisting the 2 pieces together, and then attach the post to the light by inserting the bottom of the light into the post. Repeat this for the 3 remaining lights. Now you're ready to place the lights in the ground. Once a spot is chosen for the lights, grip the post firmly and insert the stake into the ground. Do not press on the top of the light or use a hammer on the stakes. If needed, you can use a screwdriver or a small trowel to loosen the ground. Repeat the process for the remaining lights. For optimal performance, the light should be allowed to charge for at least 8 hours in full direct sunlight. This will allow the batteries to fully charge. Once charged and the sun goes down, the lights will turn on automatically at dusk. That's it. The lights are installed and there's still plenty of time to catch the game. We hope you enjoy these unique solar path lights. Thank you for visiting HomeDepot.com and shopping at the Home Depot.